Assalamualaikum friends, hope you are fine. I will make a mug cake and tell you the recipe of it. First we put some flour, oil, sugar, vanilla essence and sprinkles for decoration, and milk, and all-purpose cream. Start. Equal spoons of flour, 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of oil, some vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of milk. I also add some cocoa powder. It's up to you, you want to pour it or not. Now I'm stirring it. Now I'm gonna put it in my cup. Now let's take it out and look. Wow! It's pretty cool. Now I will add some sprinkles on top.